Hey guys, welcome back to this After Effects training course. This lesson will be on easing in and easing out to make smoother keyframe animations. Okay, so we have an animation that goes to the right and then goes back to the left. So in order to smooth this out a little bit, what we can do is actually select this keyframe, right click, go to Keyframe Assistant and Easy Ease In. And then we can select this one and go to Keyframe Assistant and go to Easy Ease Out. That makes a specific type of keyframe that will smooth the movement of the transition from the fast movement to the slow movement over here. And this looks like this. So once again, just a slight change. It just slowly transitions into this movement. Okay, so let's say we want this title to show up for the entire 10 seconds. Let's grab those keyframes. Let's press the end key so we go to the end. We'll click and drag that all the way to the end. We'll make sure that lines up there. And we know it's lined up because this is blue again. So now we have a very slow transition. And what we'll do is we'll actually hit 0. And while it renders out, we'll watch this, and then as it gets to the end, it'll start over and we'll see the transition. So it's just a little smoother using the Easy Ease.